little friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to do unboxing of this amazing rainbow ornament, and we will make amazing hanging craft ornament, and this is a beautiful ornament, and let's unbox it and let's use these amazing paints. Let's cut it here. Let's see what's inside. And this is from Creatology, and these brands are really nice. They make amazing activities. Let's open it. Wow, this is wooden. A wooden rainbow. Let's see what else we have with it. So we can use these paint. Let's see, we will decorate it, okay? So let's start. We have two markers as well, but we will use these amazing Hot Wheels stamps paints. So let's start. So let's learn colors with amazing paints, and let's make this beautiful craft. So I'm taking a yellow color. I have this paint and I'm gonna use it. So I am using this amazing yellow color. Can you see this? Which color is this? This is the color yellow. So let's start from here and let's color the rainbow. Can you see this? How cute is this color? So bright, so colorful, and this is the color yellow. So you have to take a thin brush like this and then paint the outlines and make sure you don't go out of the line. So this is the color yellow. We are going to make a cute rainbow. Let's fill the edges. Here we are done with the yellow color. So now I'm going to use the next color. Next color I'm using this. Do you know which color is this? Let's open it. These are the Hot Wheels paints. And let's see. Wow, this is so amazing. You will use the same thin brush and let's paint. Let's learn colors. Do you know which color is this? This is the color blue. Yes, let's color the next space on the rainbow. You have to be careful. Keep painting, keep filling the edges. So we have to be careful from the outlines. This is the color blue. So I'm going to pick the next color, and do you know which color is this? Let's open it and check it. This is the color pink. Pink color. Let's paint. So let's start painting. Pink color. This is the color pink. So we have to fill the outlines. So now I'm going to use this color. Do you know which color is this? This is the color purple. So let's color it. This is the color purple. Let's paint. Using purple color to make a cute outline here. This is the color purple. So we are done with the purple color. So the next color I'm gonna choose. Can you guess which color I am going to use? Okay, I'm gonna use this cute green color. So let's open it. So let's use this green color and fill this cute last rainbow space. So this is the color green. Green plants, green trees. I love green color. All colors are beautiful, but green color is also soothing and beautiful and refreshing. So let's fill it. So green color is done. This is the color green. So we are going to paste some stickers here which came with the activity pack. So let's paste the stickers. So these are the clouds, and do you know which color is this? This is the color white. Let's paste white clouds. Remove the stickers and let's paste. Here, wow, and you have to press it also. Now we will paste the second cloud, the small one. Open the sticker and paste. You have to press. And we will also give some outline to this point as well, this outline. Let's paint it. So for making outlines, we will use these markers, and this is the color yellow. Let's do some finishing with this cute marker. Hold it and fill these areas. You have to hold it here and finish this. It will give a very nice outline to your clouds and all the rainbow. So now the rainbow is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye everyone.